In this video, we are going to model this Dutch Gable Roof. So how we can do that? We will create a roof profile for the overall house and then we will edit the parts. So for reference, I will create the overall profile of the building, and as you can see, it's not exactly like what we have. So we cannot create it by this way. Instead, what we can do is we can create this roof by parts. So we'll create all the parts separately, but this we will need for the reference. So I will apply some transparency to this roof and we will create it. So first of all, we have to create this part. Now as you can see here, we have a small overhang like this. We will uncheck the slopes from these sides and we will make this 7/12, and this overall roof is also 7/12. So now we only created one part. We can mirror this part to the other side and edit it. Trim the edges, turn off a defined slope on this side, and we will make this 7/12. Again for this part, we are going to choose the same method. We will turn off the slopes and make this 7/12. Now this part is also created. So what remains is this part, this small part. So we'll create this as well. Now let's go to the 3D and see what we have done. I will delete the initial roof which we created for the reference. And as you can see, the roof profile is completed. We will delete these extra parts and we will fill the gaps. So how we can do that? We will go to the model in place. Let's say casework. For this, we will create an extrusion. We will set the work plane to pick plane and we will pick this plane. We will go to the left elevation and let's complete the extrusion. So the extrusion end we can choose either 2 inch or something, and let's see how it looks in the 3D. So now this small gap is filled. We can create a full profile as well, like by picking the outer edges. So now we will mirror this same to the other side. So our Dutch gable roof is completed. We can apply the material as well. Let's say for this it's a spar shingle. So we'll go to manage material, create a new material. Let's give it a name one.roof. We'll go to the asset browser, go to appearance, and then we will look for the roof. Let's say we have to choose this one. In the graphic setting, I will choose the surface pattern to model, and let's say this shape, and type PT to apply this material. We can make it in realistic view also. Now for this wall, a small part, we are going to apply uh, like a panel pattern. So let's see how we can do that. We'll go to the graphics, and model space, we will choose the 4-inch parallel, and for the color, for the appearance, we can load up material from the asset library as well by going to the siding, and let's say 4-inch gray, and then we have to change this to in the foreground to 4-inch gray as well. Let's type PT and apply this. Now we cannot directly apply, so we'll go to edit type, and then we can type PT and apply. So now that material is also applied.